Vai muy.
These farming terraces, you will find it everywhere here in the Sacred Valley, or you know, going up in the Andes in general. They were using these farming terraces to increase the agricultural area and to work as well as the walls to avoid from the erosion, the runoff of the land. But here, as Ed mentioned before, this is probably was way before, you know, before the Incas, before the pre-Incan civilizations. So probably a meteorite fault here, you know, and make the original sinkhole, you know. And so as they already have this shape already,
so they make it.
Yeah, they make it, you know, with terraces to preserve the shape, and of course to work as well somehow, you know, as they have a very good well advancing agriculture. They decided to work as well here to experience how is, you know, how the crops will react to different climates. Is from the top that we are, it's about 3,500 meters, which is almost the same like Cusco. If we go down, it's 70 meters down, but the difference is that in these 70 meters of difference from the top down, there are different microclimates. That's the reason they determined the real work for Moray. It was not really that long actually. They determined because they found pollen. If you find pollen, that means, you know, that some products were adapted here. They found pollen of coca. Coca actually is never gonna get adapted at this altitude, impossible, because coca is adapted to lower locations and high humidity. Places like Machu Picchu, for example, is a place where you're gonna grow coca.
Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
For example, for making these mud bricks, the adobe houses that you saw, then we use as well the droppings. You know, the droppings is used as a fertilizer. It's a natural fertilizer actually, and the meat, of course. So nothing is wasted from the meat. Nothing. Yeah. And here we have farms of guinea pigs, not as pets, but just.
Good morning.
Welcome to Chinchero. My name is Lisbeth. Now I am to explain the about the weaving process. All is handmade, all is natural. To take a picture is no problem. It's free. For example, this wool is the sheep wool. For cut the wool, we use the isoglass, small glass. When animal is alive, we use the scissor. Scissor or a knife, look at it's the wool because the wool is a very dirty. For washing the wool, for clean the wool, we use a natural root. Do you know yucca or yucca? Yucca root is the same family. This root, the name is sartana. This root is a natural detergent, natural shampoo. We call it Inca shampoo. This root is better for washing the hair, for washing the wool, for washing for clothing, for anything. This root is better for washing the hair. It prevents the gray hair. Okay? In this community, the people we don't have the gray hair. Only we use this root is natural, no chemicals. From filter, we use a natural basket. We call it suisuna, the Quechua name. Look at it's the bubbles.
Forming.
No take a flour, lemon, other detergents doesn't smell. Look at it's the wool from sheep wool, alpaca wool, and baby alpaca is a very dirty because they don't never take a shower. It's a very
Not like a cat.
and also this look at it's the wool. You can see the difference before and after. The wool is a very clean. Okay? Clean the water after it's to dry in the sun to dry here. Okay?
Good detergent.
Then we pass the spinning. This spinning, the tool, the name is Pushka. Look at we elaborate and calculate the threads. It's for scarf, sweater, blankets, the table runner, the hats, the socks. It's a different products, it's different thickness, it's different threads. Because the spinning we learning from 7 years old, we learning very young. For spinning we can get cooking, dancing, singing, playing. The other activity is no problem all the time. Look at it's the wool, only is stretch, pulling the wool and twisting. When you break this wool, I join together. It's no problem when you break. We don't have knots. Look at it, I join together. It's no problem when you break. Okay, is that finished the spinning? Then we prepare it for the wire. Look at it. And then we prepare it for dyeing the color. From natural color, we make different plants. For example, the green color is the eucalyptus leaves. For other green color is the eucalyptus. We can get different green color. From purple color, we use the purple corn. This is natural corn. It's good for drink. For chicha morada, is better. Other purple color, we use the Hawaii pigeon leaves. From gray color is the plants medicinal. The name is Tara. It's like a beans. It's good for sore throat. From blue color is the looping flowers. For orange color we use the most the lichens. If from Machu Picchu or Yantitambo. From yellow color we use different flowers. Colle flowers, retama and kiko flowers. If from red color is the cochinilla. The cochinilla is a beetle. It's an insect. It's a parasite from the leaves in the cactus. Look at it, come here. This is the cochineal alive. This is alive. Cochineal that dried. When they grind it in the mortar, we can get obtain the cochineal powder.
That's what you get, right?
Yes. In this moment, I'm going to sacrifice the cochineal alive. Look at this, the color, the red is the first color. For change the color, for a second color, I'm going to put, we use the alune stone. We use for change the color for second color. Look at this, the color. From other red color, I'm going to put, we use the lemon. Because the cochinilla, we can get 25 different red colors. The cochinilla in Chinchero, the ladies, we use a natural lipstick. From lipstick, the ray lasts 24 hours and also rated 100 kisses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good, huh?
For fix the color, for permanence the color, we use different mineral. We use the salt, alune stone, the volcanic sulfur, and lemon. This mineral is for fix the
sulfur, huh?
color. This is the salt,
No,
alune
but
stone,
this
the
is
volcanic
sulfur.
sulfur. Yes. For example, in this post-boiling is cochineal powder and wolfram red color. Look at this, the color is very dark. It's a first color. For example, for this color, I'm going to put, we use the alune stone, we can get this color. We can put other mineral, the salt or the lemon, we can get different red color. The red color is that has to boiling is 1 hour. In other post-boiling that eucalyptus or green color, the green color is that has to boiling is 2 hours because the leaves is fresh. For fix the color I'm going to put, we use the volcanic sulfurs. After this washing the wool, that clean the water. After is to dry it in the sun, the color is permanent because the fix the color is very strong. Never lose the color is forever. Okay? It's a fair process, then we pass a second process, a weaving process. Please follow me for over there, for the weave. Come here, please. Then we pass a combination of color for blankets or table runner. We make it from 2 people or 3 people. It's according how we feeling for the crossing for the eggs. Because the table runner or blankets, the pattern is a reversible, is both size. When it's machine made the same, it's only one size. Also, the different color represent the different product from here. For example, the green color represent the coca leaves, the red color represent the Andean cereal, quinoa kiwicha, the yellow color represent the father sun. The most important in here is the black color because they represent the mother earth, Pachamama. For example, for one table runner, we need approximately the 500 threads. For blankets, for carry the baby, for carry the products, we need approximately 1,500 threads because the blankets is more bigger, is more threads. They're making approximately here, then we make the table runner from here. After they're making the table runner, they're making the design. For design for patterns, we don't need the book, the paper, the computer, or for others, design for copy. We elaborate only from memory because the generation in generation, the mother and daughter. The principal tool for weaving is the bone. Look at this. I have one question. What kind of bone is this? Who is this bone?
Maybe
Question. It's human.
it's
It's a human bone.
It's a human one?
Yes.
Is it a human bone?
Is it
Yes.
human one?
This bone is from tourists. It's a tourist bone. Didn't buy anything. Okay? It's a joke. It's from alpaca salamas. It's not tourist bone. It's not human. This tool we use for tie the table runner because the table runner is a very, very tight. It's a waterproof. It's a very strong for weaving. It's very thicker. Look at it. This is
To
waterproof.
push it down.
Look at it.
Ooh.
And also the table runner is both sides. This is double size.
Double side.
For example, for middle design, we call it Loraipo. Loraipo is the plant's medicinal, is good for eyes. The zigzag, the white color, represent the sacred mountains. The lettering signs represent the Inca calendar. In Chinchero, we have 2 legs, Pura represent for women, other is Waipo represent for men, and the duality. Other design we call is Ica represent the flowers from here. Other design we call is Mayok Enco represent the rivers. For finish the one table runner, you spend 1 month, 6 hours every day. Finally, the table runner will include a border. The other lady, she making the border is finally work. Come here.
Ah, gracias.
Come here, please. This border, and for sewing, we use a needle. The border, the name is Ñahuiahuapa, is that represent the Inca princess eyes. This border is only here, only Chinchero. In other community, we don't make the border. This is traditional from here. Okay, please the touch, you can feel the wool. This is the sheep wool. This is alpaca wool. Look at it. You can feel the difference. This is the real baby alpaca. It's much softer and humid.
Even softer.
Brown sheep is very rough, strong, thicker. Alpaca, baby alpaca, is softer, is for clothing, no itch. This product for washing is only hand wash and also for any deterrent. The color is permanent forever. Never lose that.
Just in a natural way. This is for hundreds of years here, or even more. They said that the origin of the salt having at this altitude is because that millions of years ago, before planet Earth was planet Earth, everything was covered by sea salt, by seawater, let's say. The reason why we have at this altitude, because this is about 3,000 meters, is because of some kind of an ancient ocean resting, inside of these cold mountains.